And do you know why Ghanaians should vote for John Mahama? John Mahama has one term. Or Base Bulldozer. Oh, here another term. No, I can say when you're corrupter. That means you are. You can say John Mahama is on a path of redemption, resetting this country and redemption. We need him. Yempo bi oba say me be pay 8 years inti no me be katasu mo so ma be da dan conform man John Mahama here 4 years. 4 years of pragmatism, 4 years of action-oriented governance, 4 years of telling Ghanaians what it is, 4 years of using all the experiences of when you and some because retirement, you know, like I say, I have given my all. You know, President Mahama want to pour everything out of him. President Mahama want to leave Ghana an empty person. So say, oh, nyama baby onumua, menena nantiache. And I know what he can offer this country. The passion that is driving John Mahama, they say, he knows where he's taking this country to. The health sector. The health sector. Senior President Mahama vision and our dream say, Mama build the best of health infrastructure, Mama Maya, and COVID by some 2 years. In fact, ministers need be Minister of Health. No, I'm called that University of Ghana Medical Center. It's almost rested. Yet providing hospital yes so beautiful and so comfortable. Say minister that is the vision of John Mahama. Go to Rich Hospital. Manfila manone aba me at Rencham Kotomi and I make that hospital. Facilities are what the best hospitals you can get in every part of the world. No call Rich Hospital like Bio. University of Ghana Medical Center is state-of-the-art hospital. Yeah, wako Bank of Ghana Hospital hoda.
Oko patrol burum. Ba UGMC de mawura ho.
Wankasa o passam nti ko o passam say ya no wuram because patrol e wo ha ya o. O pekura me wi a me do beko. Ko Bank of Ghana Hospital na ko the facilities there. Top notch, state-of-the-art. Me gapoha. Na me board chairman ho and the address BC International Maritime Hospital. Now yet the state of the art facilities are baho to the extent to say one more FPS for one more year Jumana Sate Rencham be bahwa. One do some of the helicopter they call FPS. Yeah, form there to helicopter no you two more I don't remember Maritime Hospital. Yeah, helipad. Helicopter be see your system a bit me ama yare for no ya number straight to emergency. Now you're treating. This is the vision of John Dramani Mahama. Kotema Port, one of the modern ports in West Africa and by extension in Africa. Tema Port.
By a Maton.
Yeah?
Yanton.
I was the board chairman. What we did was PPP. Now, BOT. Build, operate, and transfer. Yeah, why the man see I make it's about 7 years in here. One more transfer for I'm saying maximum of 25 years or 30 years. They say 7 years ago. Port in the sea hono. Obekata when baby no. Na time on us. Now almost free one. The port no. Nina magana na Ghana afa. They say you feel say time no matter oboka. Na port na be Ghana there. Enti ye legacy ya build them in Chirima. Ah omo ba be didi so. Edidim. Ko airport na he. Airport no say atonwana. And then your airport, one of the best. If you're British, man, see airport. That is what a visionary leader does. Kumasi first, no. Ufufu beja ufufu. Never to America befa because and you make flight in through Kumasi and Mankrai. Under John Dramani Mahama, ye extended runway. Ye did a friend say aviation lights. Near did na ko wa. Uti be difufu we. And man want to joke crowd my 8 o'clock. Ubefa play now they are back. At their bank. Emma, you started second phase, and then you don't go be a crowd. Almost say, yeah, and come by beer. Your mama and a Koji Husika, contractor, yeah, Juma, BBI, answer, Nina, near the years, airport for your bio Kumasi, you could be a swa, your mother, mama, didn't class why you. But the people of Ghana knows because answer like your mama be free. So in about December 2016. And the President Mahama Otunfo na kweno mko kate sword for the commencement of the second phase of the Kumasi Airport Rehab expansion project. Okay, sada no and no koto Ethiopia was a day I call some Cassia by I say your mama so Ethiopia the these are records there. Go to KGT market and see what has happened there. Intermediate, I'm present catch Ghana for the say Sabatwa ebe to there. Me pamucho 8 years now Dr. Bamiane na Kufuado. He ni asasabro. Me so for bi say ni asasabro be kotodwe. Ah no aye no. Se wama kotodwe e ka bom. Wona mana ka bom sa asasabro ama kotodwe e ka bom. Na asasabro be kotodwe ano aye no. Ni Nana Kufuado na MPP betimi ama e Ghana for no. They have nothing to offer. In any case, no, why you elected Dr. Bawumia? If he had anything to do, or your chairman of the economic management team, a flag bearer of the party, it the future of the party regionalism. And kasa why you know, and also the year money don't know catch me say why you am be a flag bearer no class say no mate no ya my graduate mate no ama ya the steer no asha mensa steer no e hin na nenam.
Who best here no enemy?
You see, I'm